Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Ledger Entry Class 11 full guide. Start by identifying the transaction date, accounts involved, and whether amounts are debit or credit. Post the entry with clear ledger references and a short narration that explains the transaction. Verify that debits equal credits and that the total matches the journal source. Keep account names consistent and reconcile entries against the trial balance before finalizing the ledger. Begin by opening the appropriate ledger pages and matching dates to the journal source. Transfer each journal line carefully, placing debits on the left and credits on the right, and include the journal reference. After posting, sum the ledger columns and compare totals to the journal to catch any mistakes. Adjust entries with correcting journal lines if needed, and keep notes for audit trails so you can trace every posted transaction quickly and confidently. If this guide is helping, please subscribe and like so I can make more clear tutorials for you. Quick recommendation: I use Bento Box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers, and I think they save time between classes. Link is in the description. Check the description for that link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Watch for frequent mistakes like transposed digits, mismatched dates, or inconsistent account names that break reconciliation. Always include the ledger reference and a short narration so reviewers know the transaction context. Double-check arithmetic and ensure debits equal credits after posting. If you spot an error, correct it with a clear reversing or adjusting entry and document why the change was made, so the audit trail stays intact and easy to follow for anyone reviewing the ledger.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.